Holy smokes. I want to like kind of keep track of how deep it's getting. Okay, I just shoveled. It's definitely coming down. There's the depth so far. Woo! I just leaned over and the snow just blew. So there's. It's really coming down. It's like a blizzard out here. People are out trying to drive in this. For what? What for? Oh, okay. They just went completely sideways. He's going completely sideways down the street. Oh, they're just doing it for fun, I think. It's not gonna be fun when you hit a house, you idiot. Anyways. Yeah. It's really coming down. They're inside eating. I just made them some dinner. What are you doing? He's wrestling. He's wrestling his popped dinosaur balloon. Look at this disaster. Are you wrestling your dinosaur, buddy? He popped it, and now he's just been wrestling it. What are you wearing? Oh, you're wearing your Queen Elsa shoes? Okay. Just a glimpse of this evening.
These Elsa shoes, and that has ice on it.
They do have ice on them. That's your Queen Elsa shoes.
Yes.
Careful, they have little heels on them, huh? Is it getting you, buddy? Allie, careful. Don't try to balance on one foot in high heels. Are you winning, Jax? Are you beating the dinosaur?
Mom, and these are on the right. And these are on the right one. And these are on one.
Yes, those are Elsa's shoes, and you have Anna boots, huh?
Elsa.
Yep, you have Queen Elsa shoes, and you have Princess Anna boots. Okay, I just had my sidewalk completely cleared 3.5 hours ago. Oh my god, you can hardly see. You can't even tell that I shoveled it. You can't really see too far. Holy crap. They canceled school for tomorrow at like 6:30. It's coming from every direction. Look how high it is. It's almost up to the swings. Crazy. Like I said, I shoveled this 3.5 hours ago. Oh, it's 7:30. It's almost 11. Okay, it's 11 p.m. I just shoveled again. I have to do it every so often or else it'll be too heavy. So yeah, look how tall it is. So I just shoveled right here. Look how let us know. Okay. A lot of snow. It's insane out here. It's 11 p.m. Shovel again. This is nuts. I love it. I love snow. Snow is almost up to the swings. And the glider. Alright, it's 9 the next morning. Can't even tell I ever shoveled. It's like up to the steps, like up to the door. You cannot even tell that I shoveled at all. It was trash day. I mean, it's trash day, but we didn't take trash out. Oh my god. It must be the way the wind blows because ours is so much deeper than like across the street. Wow. Like out here it is so tall. Oh my god. I don't think I've ever had this much snow in my life. Okay, Dad. I got the driveway. The sidewalk, well, most of the driveway. But to get to my grill, it's up to my knees. I was supposed to take trash out last night because it picked up today. Well, it was supposed to pick up today, but it didn't. So I got my trash back here. Look how deep it is. I got my grill is inside the gate. I should have got it out. Hi, whoever's knocking on the window to wave at me. Yeah. Oh my god, it is literally up to my knees. My grill's in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, here's my shovel. I do this whole side. There's my salt. Well, here's what I got done. Sidewalk. This whole part I just moved his van so I could get the rest of it. We got all that. And a chunk in the street so the plows can see where the heck the curb is so they can come take care of it. But yeah, doing good. I haven't had to shovel the driveway in a long time because at my other house I just had to shovel the sidewalk. And like right out front where I parked, I can't get through on that side. Alright. Might just shovel a straight path just to get my grill. Because I want steak, dang it. Alright. I made a path to get the gate open, to get to my grill. And now we have this. Oh my god. All because I wanted a steak. There's no way. That is insane. It's up taller than the seats of the chairs. Look. Alright. Literally to my knees. Yep. Up to the deck box. I was gonna use the Blackstone, but this one's closer and that's shorter distance to shovel. So I think we're going for that. Look at that. Look at my table. Oh my god. All right, regular grill it is. Let's do it. All right. Shoveled my path. I just salted it. Yay! I'm ready to grill. And I'm exhausted. I haven't eaten yet today. I've been out here since I got up. So I am going in. I got this whole area done. I didn't get this little part because there's nowhere to put it. I'm running out of places to pile snow. I just saw the first plow.